Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, last time we were discussing about the ninth articulation point noon. Inshallah, first of all, we will start our previous lesson and we will take a revision. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Zad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya, Ya. Now inshallah discuss about the articulation point 10th, and this is the Ra pronunciate from the edge of the tongue and the point of the roots of the teeth towards the palate. Ra comes out when the edge and the top portion of the tongue touches the gums of the top four front teeth, like that. The front four teeth. Ra, Ra. If we see in the condition of the harakat, in the fatha, individually, Ra fatha Ra, Ra kathra Ri, Ra dhamma Ru, Ra Ri Ru, Hamza fatha Ra sakin Ar, Hamza kathra Ra sakin Ir, Hamza Zamma Ra sakin Ur. And in the combination condition, Hamza fatha A, Mim fatha Ma, Ra fatha Ra, Amara, Fa fatha Fa, Ra kathra Ri, Ha fatha Ha, Fariha, Karuma, Yarzuqu, Umirtu, Nursilu. And next one inshallah, that is the Ta, Dal and Ta. Pronunciate from the tip of the tongue and the roots of the upper four front teeth. Dal, Ta and Ta come out when the tip of the tongue touches on the root of the two top front teeth, like that. Ta, Ta, Ta. And Ta, Ta, Dal, Dal. 12th is the Ra, Sa and Dha. Pronunciate from the tip of the tongue and the inner edge of the upper teeth. Ta, Sa, Zal and Dha come out when the tip of the tongue touches the edge of the two top front teeth. Dha, Dha, Zal, Zal, Tha, Tha. Zal and Tha we will inshallah pronunciate with the soft way. Zal. There is no whistle sound. not a strict. Zal, Sa. Next one is the Za, Sin and Swad. In these three letters, there is the one quality is the resemble, the similar, same, like the whistle sound, like that. Za, za, sin, sod. The, za, sin and swat come out when the tip of the tongue touches the edges of the two top and the two bottom of front teeth. Swad, swad, za, za, sin. And next one is the fa. Fa comes out when the edge of the top front teeth touches the inside of the bottom lip. Bottom lip. Fa, fa, fa. And next one is the, fa and ba. We say also the letter of the shafuwi. The lips letter. Both two we pronunciate from our both lips. The ba is articulated by the closing two lips together, but it is stronger closing than the meme. Ba, ba. Next one is the meme. The meme is articulated by the closing the two lips together. Meme, meme. Ba is from the wet part of our the two lips, but meme is the dry part of our the upside two lips. Meme, meme. Next one is the wow. The unlengthened. Wow is articulated by the forming the circle of the two lips without the two lips meeting completely. Like that. Wow, wow, wow. And next one is the empty space in the mouth. Which letters we are pronunciate from the empty space. Jaw. The empty space in the mouth, like the throat, has in it one articulation point for the three length letter, like alif, waw, and ya. Alif, when they will be the madda. And what is the madda? If like the alif is the equal to the fatha, and if the alif sakin is followed by the fatha, then we say that is the alif madda. And the same way, in the waw is waw sakin is followed by the dhamma, then we say that is the waw madda. And the ya sakin followed by the kathra, then we say that is the ya madda. And these three letters we pronunciate from our empty space, our mouth, the cavity of the mouth. And in the last there is the gunna. And what is the gunna? The hidden sound in our nose, we say that is the gunna. Gunna, which we sound in the exact from the nose, like that, from the hole of the nose towards the inside of the mouth. Here there is the one articulation point that is the gunna. And gunna letters like that. If there will be the noon sakin or noon tanween or the meme, then we say we can pronunciate and articulate it with the gunna sound, like that. Mim. That's enough, inshallah. Then inshallah we will meet in the next lesson. Ma'as salama.